the efforts in terms of defining what DRR is have been under the impulse of UNISDR, which is the United Nations International Strategy for Disaster Reduction. And in 2009 they came up with a new definition defining disaster risk reduction as the concept and practice of reducing disaster risk through a range of measures, but all starting on a solid risk analysis. Well, DG ECHO, as you know, works with partners. DG ECHO is not an implementing organisation. So we have partners with non-governmental organisations, European non-governmental organisations, and entities of the UN system. So we have a FPA, the Framework Partnership Agreement with NGOs, and another type of agreement specific to the UN entities. There's still a need for great understanding among the international community and NGOs and the UN system of what disaster risk reduction is about. And keep it simple in a way. Obviously, disaster risk reduction is a cross-cutting approach, so it's far-reaching, but there's a real need for the key stakeholders to sort of be able to understand the essentials of what it involves and see it not as a separate sector, but as something which enhances all types of programs that we do. In terms of other key priorities, beyond this generating a great understanding among the community of practitioners, there's a real need to demonstrate the impact of current interventions that address risk. And a need really to focus more on developing strong baselines to be able to measure the actual impact. That's still an area of weakness and an area that we hope that our partners will be able to focus on more in the future. Some have already been doing a lot, but I think more can be done to develop practical tools and to share these tools. And we see ECB as a great opportunity of these major organizations working together to share those existing tools. And specifically at the local level, where NGOs are very active and have a good understanding often of the realities of the communities and the key stakeholders working at that level, they have a key role to play in supporting a process. The Hyogo Framework for Action is monitored every 2 years, and there is space for NGOs and civil society to contribute to this biannual monitoring system. And we really hope that within their strategies, our partners can seek to support the United Nations and ISDR to speed up the implementation of the Hyogo Framework for Action.